Here's Luna with her newborn babies. We have 2 boys and a girl. This is one of the little boys. Hi, honey. This is the one I call Milo. Or no. I can't. One of them has a red mark on his head, and I call that one Leo. I think that one's Leo. This little girl right here, this is Lily, and this little boy, she's hiding under her paw licking. That's Milo. This is her first litter. Luna is 11 months old, so she is at a perfect age to have her first litter of babies. I can tell she's absolutely exhausted. She just gave birth to 3 babies, and she is tuckered out. You falling asleep, honey? Yeah, she's kind of just, she's out. She wants to sleep. I know. We need to get them to nurse, though. I haven't had the little girl nurse. I think the 2 boys have nursed. Okay, honey, here we go. I'm gonna move all the babies. Oh, was that one attached? No. Okay, honey, I know. Okay. I'm gonna roll you over, and I want the babies to nurse. Come here. Hold on. Oh, we lost one. That one's Milo. Nope, he's coming. Milo's coming. Okay. I really need Lily to nurse. She's the one that I found that was really cold. I woke up at, I don't know how I woke up, because I work knock shift. I woke up at, God, like right after they were born. I don't know what woke me up. But after I woke up, oh look, she's trying. She's fighting. Okay, we got a little fighter. And I just heard babies within like 10 minutes of waking up. I don't know if that's what woke me up. But oh God, yes. I found them, and one boy and the little girl, they still had their umbilical cord, so I had to cut that and put some iodine on that. They were cold. I was rubbing them. I think she was just kind of in shock because this was her first birth ever. And we got one that looks very similar to her but has the white markings. So little Lily is oh God, she's sucking on her paw. She wants to suck. She just hasn't got the nipple yet. We are within an hour of birth, so I really want them to start feeding. I think the boys have fed at least a little, but little Lily has not fed yet. I mean, we're not at a dangerous area, but I really want her to get something in her. This isn't my first litter of kittens, but it's the first one I've actually really been a big part of. The last 2, 3 were from a cat I was just fostering, and okay, that's a foot. We need to get to the breast. And she mostly did it all herself. Uh-oh. Alright, Flash is done. We're done with the video.